Hello and welcome to another Polycarbon Games video blog. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more game design news and tutorials. Can you use Fiverr to make video games or apps? Yes you can, and it makes production a lot easier. Here is our experience getting a character modeled and animated through Fiverr, and we will review the sellers. We got both our models done for about $15 USD each. First off, let's talk about the characters themselves. Thanks to our artist from Fiverr, we were able to do some pretty simple characters. Here we have a cat and mouse game we are working on. It's our latest project. We plan on releasing the game on Steam, PS5, Windows Store, Xbox and Nintendo Switch. We were in need of some character designs and animation for our up-and-coming game Cats Chase Mice. During these hard times we had to budget our artwork accordingly, so we looked into Fiverr.com. With Fiverr you can contract every type of service you could think of these days. We decided to use Fiverr to get some concept art done for our Steam game. We searched around looking for someone that could work with cute chibi-style animal characters. There's plenty to choose from. We contacted a few artists and had a chat with them. It's always best practice to message the artist before putting in an order. That way you can provide them with references. This is extremely helpful to the artist. The artists on Fiverr are highly skilled and they have plenty of types of styles to choose from. The artist we chose was very talented and fit the style we needed. We contacted, and after looking at some references we hired the artist. And within a few days they were able to come up with some cute concept for our characters. Here are the results. 3D modeling and animations. We need to get our concept art modeled and animated for Unity 3D. Once again we turned to Fiverr since we found it to be pretty reliable for our project. You have probably already seen the results on YouTube already. I did a preview of some of the animations we got. The animator we chose was Wilco. You can find their page here in the description below. We wanted the 3D artist to model the characters made by our concept artist. We instructed our 3D artist from Fiverr to model our characters and add some animation to them. For now we got a few animations, a run cycle, a grab and an idle, just some simple animations for now. The 3D artist was able to get it all done way before the deadline. The models were clean and well optimized. The animations felt fluid and natural and fit our needs for our project. The 3D artist builds the characters using Blender, so it makes it easy for them to make changes or add more animations as needed. Fiverr review conclusion. First off, let's give them a Fiverr gig score from 10 out of 10. We thought our 3D artist did such a fantastic job that we thought we would review his 3D props he made for us. We needed some props to populate our game. They needed to look nice and cartoony to fit the style of our game. Since they already modeled the characters, we thought it would be very easy for them to model our playground props. We made a list of props that we needed, then we contacted the Fiverr 3D artist beforehand to show them concept art and reference pictures for the park props. Within a few days we got them in and they looked exceptionally well. One of the things we did to make the props stand out is that we asked our artist to render out an ambient occlusion map. This gave us that Fall Guys Toy Story style look. If you are looking for an artist to help you with your project, I highly recommend going with Fiverr 3D artist and animators. They have 3D artists that can do a number of different styles and looks. They can do anything from film animation to game animations. Fiverr has just about any service you think of for your business. It has grown tremendously over the years and it makes it really easy for any startup, home studio or business to get contract work done for really cheap. If you like what we do, you can support us by subscribing to our channel.